anything to say to the camera?
I'm at here, where we at? I'm at, oh, Easy Build Supply. Stop playing. You got any shiny tile today?
Let me show you what we
I
got.
need the big one. I don't need the one like 150 square feet.
I actually got a lot of the new colors in 24 by 48. And matte, but I'll give you the price.
Matt, why you don't get the shiny ones?
It's the first to sell.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I do have the 12 by 24s in the polish. So these are the 24 by 48s from here. Across the top.
You sure you got these in the...
Yeah, just this one in polished and this one. I mean, what were you going for? A gray, beige,
The kitchen is white and gold.
white and gold?
Oh, the backsplash is like a sky blue color. Then this color. But
So that would roll perfect then.
yeah, this don't even look like tile. I thought this was cardboard.
It's matte. It's a matte tile.
Damn. He said he only got these in the shiny.
Just these small ones.
Yeah. Something for about. I mean, it's a nice color. But how much is that? A foot.
Those are $1.20.
That's not bad.
This ain't a big one. These the same.
Yeah, that's what it says. The smaller ones.
Yeah, these are all 12 by 24.
But it looked like one full. This looked like one full piece. I didn't see this line.
Almost, yeah.
That's the kitchen right there.
Where'd you get your cabinets from?
My boy Z out in Sterling Heights.
I guarantee you I can give you a better price.
I got all these cabinets for $700.
I guarantee you I could beat it.
You probably can.
More.
Well, this one, but it's
It's bad, but I like it. That is fly. Gray Lake. Matt, it would go with the. Hey, my friend. It would go with the wall for sure. I mean, not the wall, but the backsplash. It's not. It actually do got a shine to it. This dope too. You got this?
That's good for an accent, yeah. You're doing trying to do something different, yeah.
I'm gonna put a kitchen. Yeah.
You know, I would probably roll with that for more of a, this is my honest opinion, I would do that for like a tub wall or something, trying to do an accent wall. I would stick with one of those two options down there, that one on the bottom, that gray on the bottom, the one on top. The cream, you know, that polished cream would go really good with it as well, you know?
Yeah, the polished cream. I like it. I just didn't.
what's going on with this right here?
just
Oh,
don't
we
want
already
it
got
small.
this.
That's the
right?
one you got last time, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I have enough for what you're trying to do.
I need 150, but
Yeah. Watch.
I mean, out of the options, yeah, I like this one.
yeah, me too. We can roll with that.
I'm taking.
You wanna do that one?
Yeah, we're gonna roll with this one, 150.
Okay, cool.
So, 150 square feet.
Okay, 150. Let's run that. You want to throw 10% on there for cutoffs? Because they're gonna have waste. Or you could just come back, you know. I got it in
You
stock.
got more?
Yeah. I have
The only
it in
reason I
stock.
did it because even though I measured 150, I didn't subtract for the fact that the cabinet's are already in there.
Oh,
You know what I'm
okay.
saying? So it should be
Yeah,
good.
you should be good. The cabinets will accommodate for that
Right.
cutoff
That's
space.
what I was thinking.
Sign this one. This one's your copy. And you need to get me on that next. Let me give you a price on your next kitchen.
Oh, yeah. You let me know.
On your next kitchen. Come for me on your next kitchen. Let me give you the
What?
price.
Where the cabinets at? I want to see them anyway. Why y'all load up? In the back?
$300 pop. $300 pop.
I need something for my house.
I'm actually gonna do them in my laundry. I wanna wrap. I'm gonna do something where I wrap the washing machine and dryer.
So what you mean 300 a pop?
Like 300 the whole thing.
What I'm saying for, oh, like what if I had a whole
For that one specifically, you know.
Yeah, 300 for
That pantry right there, yeah.
That's not bad actually.
Yeah.
But they gotta be put together.
No, out the door. 300.
Oh. Okay. I like that. Kitchen there.
Cabinets.
Ain't they soft close?
Soft close, yeah.
Oh yeah, the ones I got ain't soft close.
Let's see. Are they even wood? The ones you had?
Whatever Home Depot sells.
Yeah, that's not wood.
What is that called?
That's the compressed.
Hampton Bay or something like that?
Yeah, that's the compressed stuff. You know, that's the type of stuff that when water hits it, it swells.
You check with him first next time.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's bring it down.
I didn't even think to come here to the door.
Yeah.
Got to sell doors. You sell them with the jam too, right?
What's that?
You sell them with the jam too, right? The
Yeah, with the
doors?
jam and slab as well.
Oh,
Slabs 45, doors $100, 300.
Turn it off?
yeah. Trying to look like me.
Not.
Nigga, what? What you trying to look like then?
At least I make.
Okay. Okay. Misha make. Let me see you. You trying to look like this?
Always trying to record.
What you mean? Go on ahead, get up there. There you go. You got it. Nah, they didn't have it.
They ain't had nothing up there.
I said, nigga, I want in.
Yeah. Nah, that shit was raggedy up there, man.
That was a police officer?
Huh?
Police officer?
Yeah. They didn't have nothing. I don't even think it for a rent.
Oh, don't want them broke ones.
Yeah, man, check it out, man. I heard y'all have some problems, man, you know, so I'm off that plane, man. Problem solver, man.
Just turn out fly a week. It's usually like 160, 170. You know, I'm a freaking flyer mile. You got my freaking flyer mile. All right, about to head over to Dutchess now.
Follow y'all.
All right, yeah. So he said he couldn't fix it, which, I don't know, this is borderline.
I thought that.
I kind of thought it, I had to shoot my shot, but I wish I would have just, you know, it would have been done by now. But whatever. I just know what up though. I just don't want to go over there.
Yeah, man, what got that going on, man?
Nice ass floors. It's cool. I like it.
It matched too good. Like it probably should have been a different color, but
What's a different color? That's gray and blue.
yeah, but I'm saying the colors match. I don't even know.
That's like a ice blue.
Hey, y'all know what y'all doing a little bit.
Just a little bit. I don't know which way they should go though. They probably go this way. A long way. So they'll match the vertical of the backsplash. You feel me? Yeah, that looks better. That way. Whoa. Bathroom looking good.
Yes, let me tell you something. I love this life. It's like I picked it myself.
But I picked all this.
Yeah, because you've been unincluding me in the process.
First of
yes.
all, I had that light for months. I was gonna put it in our house, but I changed my mind since it looked good in here.
Is that the one you told me you was at putting in the bathroom?
No, I'm saying it was at the house, but I changed my mind. I brought it here. Anyway, stop. It's worth. Ooh, a dime. Watch out, Marlo. That's mine.
Marlo ain't trying to get your dime. Come on, Marlo. Let's go check upstairs. Marlo, over here. Marlo, let's go check up here. Come on. Come on. Let's go check up. Okay. I ain't never been here.
Okay. I'm about to argue about it. I got you on video.
Well, show me.
Okay.
Cause I see this, the making of this car, I never seen it. Oh, Marlo, don't touch. He not gonna do nothing to you, I promise. Marlo, stop. I promise he not gonna do nothing.
Yeah, you don't remember because this renovation looks so damn pristine.
This is a nice sized backyard. I haven't seen
It
it.
had posts here with the net.
Don't remember, you have to show me here.
I'll show you here.
This is the kitchen? Yeah, we gotta open this up. This, ooh, it's so claustrophobic.
The tile, I want going the long way. Okay?
Come on. Yeah. Marlo, move. Bark and run, that's all he do. Bark and run.
All right, let me find actually, see what time that lady wanted Manistee. I might have time to go.
When you find this screw it again?
I've been to them. They did all the drive.
No, I'm saying, like,
get over here.
Chasing birds. Where'd you find them at though?
Home Depot.
Home Depot, that's what I thought. Like, which ones be having them, which Home Depots be having the best crews? Think the ones in the city versus the ones out in the suburbs or what?
Who be having the best crews?
At Home Depot, chilling.
They don't be out in the suburbs.
So it gotta be in the city.
Pretty much.
Oh, shit, shoot.
Get that?
Really? Really? You ready to get back in the car?
Oh yeah, I got time. Let me go to Manistee right quick. Oh, it's only 6 minutes away. Come on.
What's only 6 minutes away?
The other house. I want to put these smell goods in there.
Smell good? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, Marlo.
Yeah, you know.